Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to sign out from Amazon account on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course I'm going to open my Amazon applications. And now if you want to sign out, you just have to go to your profile here at the bottom. After, just go ahead to your account here at the top left. We have to wait for a second here guys. It should look like this. Just go ahead and tap on it. If you want to sign it out, you just have to tap in this sign out option at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now tap on sign out if you're sure you want to sign out from the account. And yeah, it will look like this I guess. If you want to open your account again, you just have to sign in first or log in first. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.